Looking to build a thriving community on Telegram, packed with engaged, like-minded members. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how you can add multiple or even unlimited members to your Telegram group or channel. By the end of this video, you'll know the best strategies for growing your space organically, promoting it powerfully, and setting yourself up for long-term success. Let's dive right in. So first up, let's talk about invite links. If you want true organic growth, members who actually want to join and participate, invite links are your best friend. Here how it works. Just head to your Telegram group, tap on group info, then choose add participant followed by invite to group via link. One cool thing about Telegram is that you can create multiple unique links for the same group. This means you can set expiration dates or even limit the number of joins per link, which is handy for tracking where your new members are coming from. For example, you might share a special invite link exclusively in your Instagram bio, another on your website, and a third via an email newsletter. This lets you see which sources are bringing you the most engaged users, helping you refine your approach over time. Remember, links are easily shareable, so think big. Post them on social media, your website footer, or anywhere your target audience hangs out. Next, let's look at public groups. If you want absolutely anyone to be able to join, no invite link needed, consider converting your group into a public group. To do this, go back into Group Info, tap Change Group Type, and select Public Group. Now you can claim a short, catchy Telegram username like me/your group name, making your group even easier to share and remember. What's really powerful here is that anyone can join with just a tap, and they can even browse through past messages to catch up on what's been happening. This is great if you're building a large, completely open community or fan base. If you need to add large batches of members, maybe you're moving your audience from another platform, there are bots and Telegram API scripts that can help automate the process. For example, some specialized bots let you import big lists of users and send them invites directly. But here's an important tip: go a bit slow. Telegram has spam filters, so if you add too many people manually too quickly, you might trigger those and get restricted. Don't worry if this sounds technical, lots of bot services have clear step-by-step guides to make the process safe and manageable. Growing your group isn't just about invitation tools. Promotion and collaboration are key. Share your invite link everywhere, on your Instagram and Facebook stories, pin tweets, anywhere your audience follows you. Partnering with influencers or other Telegram channels for cross-promotion can be a game changer. Maybe run a quick contest or giveaway to attract attention, like join our group and comment for a chance to win. Even paid advertising can help. Telegram now offers sponsored messages in public channels if you have more than 1,000 subscribers. And don't forget, you can use Facebook ads, Instagram promotions, or Twitter to drive traffic to your Telegram group invite. A quick heads up on group limits: Telegram groups can hold up to a massive 200,000 members. You'll start with a regular group, but once you pass 200 members, it automatically becomes a supergroup, unlocking features like better moderation, permissions, and admin tools. Pretty cool if you want things to stay organized as your community grows rapidly. Bottom line, focus on creating real value for your members. Use multiple methods for inviting and promoting, test what works best, and keep an eye on engagement. Sustainable, organic growth is always better than empty numbers. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, it really helps me out. Drop any questions down below and I'll be sure to reply. And if you want more step-by-step guides like this one, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching and good luck building your Telegram group.